All right, G, let's look at our calendar today. We need to read the calendar. So, what day is today, G?
Wednesday,
Perfect. And what's the month?
February
Excellent. Good job. What's the date?
24th,
Wow, perfect, G. And the year?
2021.
Excellent job. Good job. Your English is very good, G.
Thank you.
You're very
Bye.
welcome. Bye bye.
35. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 7 is 63. 10 times 7 is 70. 11 times 7 is 77. 12 times 7 is 84.
All right, students, it's time for our math lesson. Are you ready, students? Let's put on our thinking caps. Let's put on our thinking caps. Today, we will learn about graphs. We will have a quiz after this on picture graphs and bar graphs, okay? So here is one type of graph. Okay? This one is a bar graph. So there are different aspects of a bar graph that you need to know. So first, what are these numbers? What are these colors? What are these pictures at the bottom? What does all of this mean? We will learn together. The title of this graph is Favorite Sport. Favorite Sport. So the title is usually at the top of the bar graph. And at the bottom, it tells you what we're reading. So these are sports. These pictures represent sports. So we have 4 sports: soccer, football, baseball, and basketball. Well, what do the numbers mean? And what do the colors mean? Well, the colors represent each sport. And the numbers mean number of kids. Which sport is most popular? Hmm. Soc
Baseball.
Very good. It's baseball. How many students chose baseball? How many kids chose baseball? Lily?
8.
Very good.
8.
All right. Now, question number 2, Lily. How many kids liked basketball? How
6.
Very good. Here is basketball. And 6 children chose basketball. Very good, Lily. Now let's look at question number 1. I'll need a volunteer after I read the question. Number 1, which insect did Annie count more often than bees, but less often than beetles? That's kind of tricky. Let's work it out together. Which insect did Annie count more often? That means more times. More. than bees, but less often than beetles? A, mosquito, B, ant, or C, cricket? Let's work it out together. Raise your hand if you can help us. Let's start with bees. So, which insect did Annie count more often than bees? We need to know how many bees did Annie count? How many bees?
3.
Very good. There are 3 bees. Now, how many beetles? We need to know how many beetles.
5.
Very good. There are 5 beetles. All right. Now we need to count the rest of them to know which insect did Annie count more often than bees. So a number that's higher than 3, but less often than beetles. So it's a smaller number than 5. How many mosquitoes did she count, Kit? I mean, not
6.
6 mosquitoes. How many ants?
3.
3 ants. And how many crickets?
4.
4 crickets. Okay, so use your brain. Not which insect did Annie count more often than bees, but less often than beetles? What do you think? Hmm?
3.
C?
Cricket.
Excellent. Very good. You got it. The answer is C. Very good. Thank you, Not.